Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a quick video on how to download iTunes 2017 for Windows 10. Free and easy. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here by opening up an internet browser of your choosing. I'm going to open up Firefox. Once open, this is the internet address right here, and I'll put this link in my video description as well. And once you are at this page, you can see that the selected version is 64-bit. You get a download button here, but before we click on that download now button, you can leave these checked or unchecked. It's up to you. And also your email address can go there. Click on download now. And in Firefox, I get this prompt, save file or cancel. I'm going to save the file, and that will save the iTunes setup file to my hard drive. And depending on the speed and performance of your computer system and the speed of your internet, this can take a couple seconds to a couple of minutes. And in my case, it took a couple of minutes because I was on a slow internet. But it finally got done, and now it's downloaded and it has been saved on my hard drive. And also it tells me thank you for downloading iTunes, and of course you can see that, but I just thought I'd mention it. Anyway, I'm going to double click on the setup here, and that will initiate the extraction of the installation file for iTunes. And at this point, I can go ahead and close out the internet browser. We don't need that open any longer. And that allows us to see the installation window a little bit clearer. And this is the first window. And it says, Welcome to iTunes. Click on Next. And once you do, you get a couple of prompts here. And I'm going to just go ahead and take the defaults. Yes, I do want a shortcut on my desktop. And I do want English here, and the location is good. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And the installation begins, and depending on the speed and performance of your computer, it can take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. And then you get the last prompt here, and I can leave that checked or unchecked. I'm going to leave it checked, and it will automatically open once I click on finish. However, before I do that, I want to point out that it did create a desktop shortcut for me automatically, so I can open up iTunes at any given time. Okay, let me click on finish, and that opens up the first welcome screen of iTunes on Windows 10, the latest version of iTunes, as well as the latest version on of Windows 10, by the way, the creator's update. And you can go ahead and read through this if you like and learn more. However, you can say no thanks or agree. I suggest clicking on agree, and now you have the full utilization of iTunes on Windows 10, and you can make use of all of these items, playlists, and your classic music, your rock music, whatever you want to play. And we can click here, and that will open up the iTunes store, where we can download any music of our liking that we would like to, and bring it into iTunes and listen to it. Okay, that's how you go about downloading iTunes to your Windows 10. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like.